Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to find the basis of a subspace of a matrix through parametrization. So what is parametrization? So this is the parametrization here. We manipulate the equations of the linear system, then we express the leading variable in terms of the free variables. So this is an example of a matrix, and this is the condition. So we parameterize by making the leading variable the subject of the equation. So from here, after we reduce to echelon form, we get something like a, b, 0 and some value here. I will not go into detail. So now we can see that we identify the leading variable as a. So therefore, we can express a in terms of b and c, which are free variables. So a equals to minus b plus 2c. So now we got step 1 we do it. So we describe the subspace as a collection of unrestricted linear combination of vectors. So these vectors will be based on the free variables here. So in previously we got two free variables b and c. So therefore you have two vectors. So a we replace with this, we got this and this. So before we go into this, we can say that we can write in terms of this form. So it's minus zero b 0. So we put the coefficients of b. This is the b coefficient. This b part plus 2c0 c0. So this is your c component. So we split our variable component, and therefore you separate, you take out the b, and therefore you got in this term here. So we have already described the subspace as the collection of unrestricted linear combination of two vectors. Since you have b and c, therefore two vectors, and our basis can be written in terms of this coefficient of b and here. So this is our coefficient. And now we have another example here. So hence, step 1, we will do our parametrization. So step 1, parametrization. We manipulate the conditions here, and then we express our leading variable in terms of the free variables. So from here, c and b is in the equation, so we can see that c is the leading variable. We have already identified here two leading variables, but in the equation only this counted, so we make the leading variable the subject of the free variable. So c equals to 2b. So step 1, c equals to 2b. So step 1 done. So now step 2, we can write in this form. So by making c the subject, this will change. A B 0 to B, where A and B is a value of R, and therefore equals to A 0 0 0. So this is our A component plus 0 B 0 2B. So now our B component is here, where my A and B is less than R. Therefore, we can put it as a collection of unrestricted linear combinations. So now we can take out the coefficients of A, the coefficient matrix of A. So therefore, equals to A 1 0 0 0 plus B 0 0 1 2, where A and B are real values. So these are my coefficient matrix here. And then the basis, so step 2 done. Now let's go to step 3. So step 3, our basis can be written in terms by using these two values of the coefficient matrix. So is our basis is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 2. So this is our value here. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you have any queries, you can take a look at the previous videos, or you can drop me a comment, and I'll reply to your comment as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day.